welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy LCAI token or the LightChain AI token. So you can purchase it from its official website. So you need to come on lightchain.ai and here you need to connect your wallet with it. So click on the connect wallet option and here you can connect your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet. For this video, I'm going to select my Phantom wallet with it. So you need to select your wallet and press the connect button. Now once your wallet is connected successfully, you just have to scroll down a bit and here you will see the options with the help of which you can basically buy the LCAI token. So here you can purchase it with the help of Ethereum and USDT. So you need to select which one you want to prefer. So let's say you want to spend USDT, so you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend and then it will show you the equivalent amount of LCAI token that you are going to get. After that, you need to click on this buy button and this way you will be able to basically buy LCAI token. Now before concluding this video, I would like to mention that this video is for educational purposes only and this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own diligence before actually purchasing any of the cryptocurrencies or any of the coins. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below. I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.